We are in Paris at the Eurosatory International Defense and Military Technology Trade Fair, the largest defense event in Europe, featuring 1,700 manufacturers and sellers from more than 60 countries around the world, including ELDIS, top manufacturer of active radar technologies. Here, we are presenting our technological innovations, including new generation ATC radars, a brand new 3D primary surveillance radar, a new generation precision approach radar, and a complete set of radars for mobile airports. The concept of these innovations is based on current state-of-the-art technology, new developments, and the latest trends in air traffic control regulations. For example, the radars are software controlled, which significantly simplifies maintenance and reduces lifecycle costs.
Czechoslovak Group. Heart, Heritage, Horizon.